When I saw that it was possible to turn a flat sheet into something three-dimensional, that's when I got really excited. Yeah, that's what excites me, turning the 2D into 3D. My name is Verity, and I'm a paper artist. It is origami because it's paper that's been folded, but it's not necessarily what you might conjure up in your mind as origami. I really like that sort of initial terrifying thing of just being faced with a white or just a blank sheet of paper. The way that I work best is not to pre-plan. I like the freshness of that approach, so I will just impart creases into the paper and see what happens. And then throw away the ones that don't work or don't look right, and then I work on it until I come to the final piece. I've always been interested in paper as a medium. I just really enjoy the limitations that the paper gives me. I can only get to where I'm going just by folding. The limitations make that process exciting, so I've got something to kind of push against and find out what's possible. For the folded faces, I'm just using a small sheet of paper and folding it wet, so it's just my hands and the paper, and it's very direct. The other way that I work is the geometric paper repeat folds. So I design the form, I flatten it out and impart those creases into a computer program. I then send that final repeat pattern into my paper scoring machine, and it just slightly grazes into the sheet of paper, and I'm able to fold along those lines. I'm using just my hands to fold it up. I don't use any tools to do that. I find folding quite a meditative practice. I really need to find that sense of calm. To me, it's a process and a journey rather than outcomes. I love exploring different materials, but it just so happens that the paper has really captured me, and it's the one that I can't put down.